So we want to do the solution to our last assignment. So I asked us to do a school grading system where we tell a user to enter a number here, maybe a grade. Then if it falls within a particular range, we display results inside this place. So what we're going to do is that we create a div, input, and a button. So we give this an ID so that we can use that to track whatever information the person entered. We give this an ID also display so that we can display the result there. So we open the script stack. So when the user clicks on this button, we are going to run the codes within the script stack. On click, let's create a function together. You can say grade student. So when the user clicks on this button, you're calling on function grade student. First is you want to get whatever is inside this input. So what you are doing is that when the user clicks, you are getting this and you are saving it as variable student grade. Next is that you are using your if statement so that you'll be able to display things based on the grade, right? If student grade, let's say if it is greater than let's convert it to a number first. Let's convert it to a number. It's always good that whenever you are comparing values, they should be of the same data type. Well, JavaScript allows us to compare things of different data types, but it's not a good practice. So let's convert this to number. So we can say if student grade, if it is greater than 5.0, or student grade is let's say lesser than 0, then you can say display dot inner text equals to out of range. So as long as the value of student grade, if it's greater than 5.0 or lesser than 0, you're going to display out of range. Let's proceed. Else if so hope you are not disturbed. Can we hope the background noise is not affecting the class? Please let me know if it is. Hello? Okay. Alright, okay, alright. Thank you. Okay. Else, if this condition is not so, check this other one. If student grade, if it's greater or equal to 4.5. If student grade that is 4.5 to 5.0, this is going to undo that. Then display dot inner text equals to first class. So this part is going to display, is going to undo 4.5 to 5.0. Now you may protest that, well, we didn't add anything like student grade is greater than or equal to 5.0. Right. what happens is this. Remember in the last class, I explained that the only reason it will come here is if this condition is not so. That means if someone entered a number like 6, 6 will meet this condition because 6 is greater than 5, right? 6 is greater than 5. So 6 will meet this condition. But if someone entered a number like 4.8, 4.8 is not greater than 5, 4.8 is not lesser than 0. For that reason, it will check this. It will check this. So it's going to run this part. So 4.5 to any number between 4.5 to 5.0 will not meet this first condition. And for that reason, it will come to this second part to run the codes here. And it's going to do this for us. It's going to do this. So we can now copy this and use it for the rest. Copy, paste. This is going to be 3.5. That can be second class upper. Then 2.5. That can be second class lower. Then that can be 1.5. That would be third class. Then 1 and above. That can be pass. Then 0 and above. That's fail. Do we understand? So the way it works is that if a number, let's assume a user entered 3.6. 3.6 does not meet this condition because 3.6 is not greater than 5 and 3.6 is not lesser than 0. That means it will come here. 3.6 does not meet this condition because 3.6 is not greater than or equal to 4.5. That means it will come here. Yes, 3.6 meets this condition. Because it meets this condition, it will stop here and it is going to display second class upper. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Alright. So this is the solution to the assignments. Let's run it and be sure that everything is working fine. So I will enter, let's say 4.2. We have this. Let's say 3.25. So class there, that is let's say 6. That'll be out of range. Let's say 1.6. Third class. So our grading system is working perfectly. Next is, let's now go to today's class. I will stop the recordings, then start another recording purposely for tonight's session.